once you take the shuttle into town, this is where you will get dropped off. It takes just under 15 minutes, and this is right next to Chinatown. So the shuttle's free at least every 10 minutes from the port, and it's a handy way to avoid the heat if you're here in the height of summer and get right into where some of the main sites are. Chinatown in Kobe is one of the most important places to visit. It's one of the 3 largest Chinatowns in all of Japan. It's called Motomachi. We've got a statue of Confucius here, and then in we go, and it's a huge Chinatown, great place to go for food, for shopping, and lots of quirky things to see. And as you come in, take a look on the left-hand side beside the gate. There's a map of all of Chinatown, but the main Motomachi shopping street, and then it also tells you all the main sites to see, shrines, shops, and different interesting streets and things to visit. Now, Kobe is of course famous for Kobe beef. There are hundreds, it seems, of restaurants where you can have it. It's very expensive. If you want to try it in a cheap way, you just get a little bit, but it's a good way to give it a try. Right here, when you come into Chinatown, there's more places like this. You can get a little skewer of it, you can get a small steak of it, or you can get Kobe beef steak sushi. And so it's pretty much almost raw. It's seared just the tiniest bit. It's almost mooing, but this is the real deal Kobe beef. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's just been cooked the tiniest little bit, so it's almost like it's more like a sushi tuna consistency cross between beef. It's a bit chewier obviously than the fish, but it's really tasty, really flavorful. So this is a really popular spot, Yan Yan, and you can get steamed dumplings inside. It's very popular. The queue is literally right around the block. So these are the little iconic symbols of Chinatown here, Motomachi, and it's at 151st Street, and this is a crossroads in the center of it. You get to all the streets here in Chinatown. And so there's a covered main shopping street, Motomachi, right in the center of the Chinatown area. It goes all the way up and down. It means it's covered from the rain in the winter, and it keeps you a little bit cooler in the summer. Loads of great shops to stop in here, a little bit more official ones than in Chinatown. There's more small local spots. After a very hot walk, we've made it to Surakuen Garden. This is what it looks like on the way in. It's a beautiful traditional Japanese garden. So as you come in the gate, the reception is on the right, 300 yen for entry, and you get a free guide in English. It tells you all about the park as well. Up in one corner we've got the building here. This is the old stables. Where the horses were kept. And next door to that is the Hashing House. It is a blend of East and West design, and it was used by an Anglo-Indian trader. He's lived here. It was built in 1902, and so it's a very nice thing to spot in the park. So this is a beautiful view of the gardens from the parlour. It's a good place to stop and cool down, and there's some people getting photos. It's gorgeous. So even though the garden isn't that big, it's a really nice place to come in the middle of the city to get away from everything. It's peaceful, apart from the siren right now. The beautiful little mini streams, the pond, the flowers, the trees, the small shrines, the little buildings, the boathouse, the stables. It's a really lovely little piece of ancient Japan right in the middle of the city. The Kitano-cho area is a really nice area to visit. This is where the Western houses are. And the reason these are important is because when Japan was closed off from the rest of the world for almost 200 years, this was one of the first places that was open up to foreigners to come and live. So a lot of these houses are from the 1860s. 10 of them are open to visit. They're between about 300 to 500 yen to visit inside. You can see what they look like here. And Kitano Square is right in the center. One of the things that the area is famous for is cheesecake and cheesecake flavor ice cream. Kobe Kitano Kasamidori selection, which is right next to Kitano Square. This is supposed to be the place to try local cheesecake. So if you have a sweet tooth, come and check it out. There are so many lovely sweet treats here, different versions of the cheesecakes, chocolate mousse version, the rare cheesecake version. These are particularly cute. The Kokoro Okaru chocolate with little gingerbread men that say sweet things like smile please, thank you, for you. They give you samples. And then right next door, we've got the cheesecake soft cream place where you can get the ice cream. They have different flavors of specialty here, but the best one is the actual cheesecake flavor. It's the cheesecake in an ice cream. And this is it, the cheesecake ice cream. It's amazing. All the ice cream, lots of flavors, really good. But this one you only get here, so try it. It's ridiculous. It's gorgeous. Kitano-cho is a lovely area to walk around. There's loads to see right around the corner from the cheesecake place. We've got the Kobe Trick Art Museum. It's just upstairs here. You can take lots of quirky pictures with things like in this poster over here. It's about $30 to go in, about 3,000 yen. Cute pictures outside. And this is the start of where all the Western houses are. So this one's the English house. It's from 1868. Lots of very English things. You've got Sherlock Holmes, who's a street opposite. With lots of things about him. There's a Baker Street sign, English garden behind it. And you can even buy Sherlock Holmes style coats and hats going in there as well. So if you want to visit the houses, a really good thing you can do is get a combined pass. There's 3 different ones. The Kitano-dori pass. You can go to 3 houses, which has the French house, the English house, and Ben's house. Or you can go the Yamanote pass, which has 4 of the houses. Or the premium pass, you go to 7 different places. So it depends how much time you've got. At least 1 hour here, 2 hours? 2 hours for here, all of them, and we're at just over an hour for here. So it's a good way if you want to see a few of them. And if you're a coffee fan while you're in the area, check out Nishimura Coffee. This has got the best coffee in Kobe. Apparently very, very nice stuff. It's not cheap. It's from 900 yen for a coffee, but really, really nice stuff. And it's in this beautiful building in the area, the Western style building. It's open 10 till 10. So this is the original Nishimura coffee place. And there's the fancier one, the French sort of style and European style building up in Catenaccio. A little bit further down, this is starting 3 small tables right here. This began in 1948. This is the main building. And so this is located right across from Higashimon Street. So easy to find. This is Ikuta Shrine. This is just a little further along the street. It's a Shinto shrine. We've got the Kitsune, the fox, protecting over there. You come in, purify yourself, and you can walk up to the small shrine down here, and then the main building over there as well. And at like many shrines, you can buy charms that help protect for different things: health ones, relationships, fertility, childbirth, work charms, luck charms, money charms, victory charms, and you even get calamity charms. You can buy them all right here before going inside, or you can buy the hearts where you can write your wishes on, or your prayers, your thoughts, your dreams, your hopes, and you can hang them up inside the temple. Ikutaro here, this is a good area to go out for Kobe beef. One of the good places to go and try it is in Steakland. If you want to try it at lunchtime, it can be, it is a lot cheaper than in the evening. They do a lunch special there for 3,000 yen, about $30. So if you do want to try it, and you want it to be a bit more wallet friendly, do it at lunchtime. If you are a gyoza fan, you must come here. Akuman Gyoza, best gyoza in Kobe. Amazing. Tiny little place, absolutely delicious. This is what you get. Their menu is literally a portion of this is 290 yen, so less than $3 for 7 of these. We've got 2 portions here, and you can get a large beer or a small beer. That's it. That's amazing. It's amazing. We're in an izakaya and we're having loads of lovely food. We didn't start filming yet, even though we've eaten a bunch already. We had some ebi tempura, vegetable tempura, seiro mushi, which is steamed chicken and vegetables. So we're in Kobe, so we must have some Kobe beef. And here it is. It is very, very lightly seared, very like straw, served with all the accompaniments. It's very exciting. We had a Kobe sushi today, but this is the real thing.